Hi friends, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you the table which can provide you the linkage between authorization object and the role. So if you go to the display of a role, the transaction is PFCZ and I gave this role and click on display. And when you go to this authorizations tab, here we will have the information of display authorization data. This authorization objects will be useful for you to filter the different organization elements or any other objects you can filter. So authorization objects will play a key role whether the role can be supported for which kind of transactions and what kind of combinations of organization elements. All those will be controlled by using authorization object. This linkage, how can you get from a table? In this video, we are going to learn on the same. Let's check the table, because this role has too many authorization objects, so it is taking little time. Yeah, you can see here the list of authorization objects available. How to get this all the list as a table? So go to SS16N and AGR underscore 1251 and input the role and execute it. See here, more than 500 authorization objects are available here. See under this role, you can see what are the total number of entries. 7,183 authorization objects are there. It's a sandbox IDS system, right? So most of the authorization objects are assigned to the one role. So it has too many authorization objects, but in real time, we don't see these many authorization objects under one role. Okay, we generally may see 10, 20, 15, or 18 like that. Thanks for watching, and you can practice by using this table in your system, maybe quality system. You can verify and how the authorization objects are assigned and how many list of authorization objects for each role. Okay. I hope this video has helped you to understand and to analyze on your own. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.